Everybody, today I'm going to be telling you a story about the V347. Once upon a time, there were 85 people and 10 crew raiders. And this made the passengers very happy that they had 10 crews. But one day, there was a flood, and everybody evacuated, and then they just jumped into a boat. Oh! Everybody just jumped into a boat. And then the others on the boat were not safe actually. So next up, this happened. Oh no, we're dead. We're dead. One screamed. Oh no. Oh no. Captain is here. He called. But what should he do? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta jump. I have to go to that boat. So I was safe until everybody on the boat was not. And everybody was safe on this boat. But one day there was lightning striking on the boat. Yeah, that's right. I'm trying to make a story, and then I fell down into the pool. And then everybody's clothes got wet because the boat lay down. And this is what happened. See? Have a look at this. And then the boat floated again until I drowned. Whoa! I screamed. Whoa! This is scary. Ah! And then I fell in the water again. And then this happened. What? Why did the ship move? Ah! Maybe the motor was broken. Somebody said, "Oh my God, why are they waves?" Screamed another. And the captain refused to listen. I don't want to make these any more consequences, but I'm gonna sink the boat if you say one more thing. So he said that with refused silence. Even one screamed, "We're gonna sink!" Okay, so the other passengers were quiet. And this is my first time making a Roblox story game. So I hope you like it. Oh my God, screamed one. "We're so far from the ship," screamed another. And I just screamed, "Oh my God, there's so much waves!" Everybody screamed that. "Oh no, our home is sinking." Well, I better hope you like and subscribe. And after sailing for a long time, they were struck by lightning and found in heaven. And when they returned back to Earth, they landed on an island. And then they found a ship. And then they sailed to an island, which they all had to sleep in a resort. "There's actually a resort?" asked another. And then I said, "Yeah, there is." And we all went to our own rooms and slept. But the captain, he went to room 507, and all the others lived together. So this guy and this guy lived in room 503. The others lived in different rooms. And then they refused to go back home. So that's the end of the story Roblox game. And wait, bye.